These supplements can fix your energy, mood, digestion, sleep, immunity and metabolism, and believe me, half of them are there in your kitchen and that's very easy. Number one is magnesium. Yes, magnesium is needed for over 300 enzymatic function. It's excellent for sleep, stress management and digestion. The optimal dose can be 200 milligram to 400 milligram per day, and forms are glycinate for sleep, citrate for digestion and malate for energy. And look for elemental magnesium on the pack, and always look for the multi magnesium. It's excellent for your health. How can you take it naturally? Yes, pumpkin seeds are loaded with magnesium. Dark chocolates over 72% is superfood. Next is chana, spinach and banana. They are good source of magnesium. So all these things are backed by science. It is going to improve your insulin, anxiety and blood pressure as well. Next is vitamin D plus K2. Yes, so most Indians are deficient even after taking the sun, but take it your vitamin D in the morning along with the healthy fat. And K2 is important. Choose MK7 and it prevents the calcium buildup in the arteries. If you can't do anything, just take couple of mushrooms, cut it into slices, put it into the sun, let it soak the sunlight and eat it. Egg also has got vitamin D. Daily dosage of vitamin D can be 2000 to 5000 IU daily with MK7 100 mcg. And the food sources are desi ghee, fermented food, cheese, especially for the vegetarians, and natto for vegans. It's a source of K2. Now hack: 10 minutes of sunlight plus 1 tablespoon of ghee plus 2000 to 4000 IUs per day. Depends upon where you are on your vitamin D level. Get it tested and see. Next is omega 3s. Look for the EPA and DHA. So omega 3 is critical for your brain. It's anti-inflammatory and it's excellent for your skin, joints, metabolism and inflammation. Look for the supplements with ratio. So do your own research. For vegetarians and vegans can be algae oil, and if you don't want to take supplements, the plant-based are flax seeds, chia and hemp. They're less effective, but yes, omega 3 is there. So as per many clinical trials, a higher amount of EPA taken per day reduce the heart attack by up to 25%. So next, go towards electrolytes. You can create your own electrolytes. I have created my own. This is the combination of coconut water, ashgard juice, and I use all the citrus peels because they have got the special flavonoids. So I create my own natural electrolyte drink first thing in the morning. Use pink Himalayan salt. It actually provides the sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium and iron all. So just sprinkle it. Add some lemon, some mint, ginger for extra benefits, and you can use kaffir lime. It has got the very aromatic flavor. Or crush a bitter leaf, put it. It has got a huge blast of flavors and you will going to enjoy it. Or you can create your own electrolyte water at night. Next is adaptogens and brain boosters. Yes, they are real. The Indian origin ashwagandha is excellent. People, they take it for stress and strength and libido. The right type is KSM 66. Next is Bacopa monnieri or Brahmi. It also boosts memory in many clinical trials and studies. Tulsi, holy basil is good. Take some leaves. It's a real immune booster and it's very calming. And the evening stack, it can be ashwagandha plus tulsi tea plus 10 minutes of walk for the better cortisol rhythm. Multivitamin, get yourself tested and see whether you need it or not. But I'm a big believer of whole food, and many multivitamin can be synthetic and they have got the low bioavailability. Better replacement, green smoothies. Make your own green smoothies by spinach, amla, flax and banana, and use rainbow salad. It's excellent. Seasonal fruits, soaked nuts, homemade chutneys, they are all good. They are going to give you the natural multivitamin. It's entirely your choice, and speak to your healthcare professional about it. If you are low on certain vitamins, just cherry pick those. So comment supplement. I'll be sharing with you the detailed checklist of these supplements, all backed by science along with the Indian food swaps, and share with your family and friends. And I hope you like it. Let's create a disease-free society and do not overly rely on the supplements. Your 80 to 90% diet has to be whole food. Do not follow blindly. Trust your own gut instinct and speak to your healthcare professional about it before you take any supplement. Enjoy. Love you guys and take care of your health. Ciao. Ciao.